Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable TPM 2.0 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable 2.0 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. As you can see, I have opened this my on-screen keyboard. In this, just I am showing a demo on this my on-screen keyboard. You have to do it manually on your physical keyboard. So what you have to do, you have to just restart your desktop or laptop. In that, you can try continuously pressing F2. First try with F2. If that doesn't work, then try with F10. If that also doesn't work, then try with delete key. You have to just restart your desktop or laptop and press continuously these three keys one by one. After that, you will enter in a BIOS mode. In BIOS mode, you will find security option. In security, you will find TPM version, which is 2.0. You have to just select that one. If there you found TPM 2.0 as disabled, you have to just enable that one. After enabling, just press F10 and hit enter on yes. Then it will be saved and restart your PC. That's it guys. In this way you can enable 2.0 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.